Now the unboxing of the Duncan metal drifter, the classic version with the size A bearing and the friction stickers. The metal drifter, the original one with the size A bearing, had a little problem with the demo. I missed a lot of tricks. I'm just not very good with these size A bearings. But it's a nice yo-yo. I've had better days using it. I swapped out the original bearing for a concave size A bearing. I kind of use it to try and become more accurate, more better at yo-yoing. I do prefer the new version. I do have the new version. I'll be reviewing that soon. I demoed the Delta counterweight at the same time. So check out the demo.